You are never given a wish without also being given the power to make it true. You may have to work for it, however. Richard Bach. Life doesn't have to be a series of events that simply happen to you. Your dreams, those deep-seated desires for something more, they don't have to be distant wishes. There's a way to turn those dreams into your reality, to create a life that truly lights you up. And it all starts with a simple shift in your understanding of how the world works. You are not merely a passenger on this journey. You are the architect of your life, the creator of your destiny. This isn't wishful thinking. It's a fundamental truth that has the power to change everything. At the heart of this extraordinary potential lies a force we often underestimate: the power of our own minds. It's more than just daydreaming or idle fantasies. It's a creative energy that courses through us, waiting to be harnessed. Every invention, every masterpiece, every groundbreaking idea began as a spark in someone's imagination. The world as we know it is a testament to the boundless possibilities that arise when we dare to envision something new. And this same power resides within you, waiting to be unleashed. Our thoughts are not mere fleeting notions. They are the building blocks of our reality. With each thought, we plant a seed, and with each feeling, we water it. Whether we realize it or not, we are constantly creating our world from the inside out. This isn't about positive thinking or wishful thinking. It's about recognizing the immense influence our inner world has on our outer experiences. It's when we focus on lack, limitation, and negativity, we inadvertently attract more of the same into our lives. But when we cultivate thoughts of abundance, joy, and gratitude, we open ourselves up to a whole new realm of possibilities. Think of your mind as a garden. What are you planting in it? Are you sowing seeds of doubt, fear, and resentment? Or are you nurturing seeds of hope, love, and possibility? The choice is yours, and the harvest will reflect the seeds you've sown. The good news is that you have the power to change the landscape of your mind at any moment. You can choose to weed out the negative thoughts and replace them with empowering ones. You can choose to focus on what you want, rather than what you don't want. And as you do, you'll begin to see a remarkable shift in your outer world. Your feelings play an equally crucial role in this creative process. They are the fuel that propels your thoughts into reality. When you feel excited, inspired, and passionate about something, you amplify its energy and draw it closer to you. Conversely, when you feel discouraged, resentful, or apathetic, you push away the very things you desire. Therefore, it's essential to become aware of your emotions and learn to manage them effectively. When you catch yourself spiraling into negativity, take a moment to pause, breathe, and redirect your focus. Find something to be grateful for, even if it's something small. This simple act can shift your energy and open you up to new possibilities. The connection between our thoughts, feelings, and reality is a powerful one. By understanding and mastering this connection, we can consciously create the life we desire. We can break free from the limitations of our past and step into a future that is filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. So take a moment to reflect on your inner world. What kind of thoughts and feelings are you predominantly experiencing? Are they aligned with the life you want to create? If not, don't despair. You have the power to change them. Start by cultivating a sense of gratitude for all the good in your life. Focus on what you have, rather than what you lack. Surround yourself with positive influences and inspiring messages. And most importantly, believe in yourself and your ability to create the life of your dreams. The true magic of creation lies not just in envisioning what you want, but in feeling it as if it's already yours. This is the missing ingredient that so many overlook, the secret sauce that transforms dreams into tangible reality. The first step is crystal clear. What is it that your heart truly yearns for? Don't settle for vague notions or half-hearted wishes. Zero in on a specific desire, something that ignites a fire within you. Maybe it's a dream job, a loving relationship, vibrant health, or financial freedom. Whatever it is, get laser-focused on what you truly want. Now, close your eyes and allow your mind to paint a picture. See yourself living that desire in vivid detail. What does it look like? How does it feel? Engage all your senses. See the smiles on the faces of your loved ones. Hear the cheers of a crowd. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Make it so real that you can almost taste it. This is where the real transformation happens. Step into the shoes of your future self, the one who has already achieved your desire. How does it feel to have what you've always wanted? Let those emotions wash over you. The joy, the gratitude, the sense of accomplishment. Allow yourself to fully experience the feeling of your wish fulfilled, as if it's happening right now. This may seem counterintuitive, but once you've fully felt the reality of your desire, it's time to release it. Let go of any attachment to the outcome and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Surrender to the flow of life, knowing that what is meant for you will always find its way. This process of identifying, visualizing, feeling, and releasing is a powerful formula for manifesting your dreams. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, a reminder that you have the power to shape your reality. While the path to manifestation is simple, it's not always easy. There are common stumbling blocks that can trip us up along the way. Recognizing and addressing these pitfalls is key to unlocking your full potential. One of the biggest hurdles is doubt. That nagging voice in your head that whispers, "This is too good to be true," or "I don't deserve this." Doubt can creep in and sabotage your efforts before you even get started. But remind yourself that doubt is just a thought, and you have the power to choose a different thought. Challenge those doubts with affirmations of your worthiness and belief in the limitless possibilities that await you. Impatience is another common pitfall. We live in a world that demands instant gratification, but manifestation often unfolds in its own time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, orchestrating events and aligning circumstances in your favor. Focus on enjoying the journey rather than obsessing over the destination. Lack of clarity can also hinder your progress. If you're not crystal clear about what you want, it's difficult to manifest it. Take the time to truly define your desires. Write them down, create a vision board, or talk about them with a trusted friend. The more specific and detailed you can be, the easier it will be for the universe to deliver. To stay on track and maximize your manifesting power, cultivate a positive mindset. Surround yourself with uplifting messages, inspiring stories, and supportive people. Practice gratitude daily, appreciating the abundance that already exists in your life. This will raise your vibration and attract even more goodness into your experience. Recall that the journey of manifestation is a continuous one. It's not about reaching a single destination, but about aligning yourself with the flow of life and allowing abundance to flow through you. By staying focused on your desires, maintaining a positive mindset, and trusting in the process, you can unlock the limitless possibilities that await you. The beauty of this creative power is that it doesn't stop with a single desire. When you open yourself to the possibility of manifesting one dream, you set in motion a ripple effect that can touch every corner of your life. As you begin to see the results of your focused intention, your confidence soars. This newfound belief in yourself fuels even greater aspirations, and you find yourself reaching for goals you once thought impossible. The momentum builds, carrying you forward on a wave of positive energy. Moreover, as you attract more of what you desire into your life, you naturally raise your vibration. This higher frequency acts as a magnet, drawing in even more abundance and opportunity. The world seems to conspire in your favor. Doors open effortlessly, and synchronicities abound. You become a beacon of positivity, inspiring others and creating a ripple effect that extends far beyond yourself. This is your moment to step into your power, to reclaim your birthright as a conscious creator. You are not a victim of circumstance, but a powerful being with the ability to shape your reality. The life you desire is not a distant fantasy. It's a tangible possibility waiting to be realized. So, dare to dream big. Accept the power of your thoughts and feelings. Trust in the process, and let go of any limitations that hold you back. The universe is on your side, ready to support you in your journey of self-discovery and fulfillment. This is your invitation to step into a life you've only dreamt of. A life where your desires become your reality, where joy and abundance flow effortlessly. You hold the power within you. Now, it's time to unleash it. Take this knowledge and apply it to your own life. Experiment, play, and witness the incredible transformations that unfold. If this message resonated with you, please take a moment to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more inspiring content.